A canister vacuum, a versatile and powerful cleaning appliance, is a staple in modern households seeking efficient and convenient cleaning solutions. This type of vacuum cleaner stands out for its unique design, consisting of a compact canister unit housing a powerful motor and a collection bag or canister for debris storage. Its distinct features and functionality make it a popular choice among homeowners and cleaning professionals alike. In this video, I will tell you about the 3 best canister vacuums in the market. I have given the product links in the video description. I hope you will get the best product of your choice, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more reviews. Number 3. Aspiron Canister Vacuum Cleaner. This will be a great choice for those who are looking for the best overall canister vacuum in terms of price, quality, durability, and design. The heart of this canister vacuum cleaner is its powerful 1,200-watt brushless motor, which produces an impressive 24 kilopascal suction force. This suction power ensures that any debris or dirt is cleaned, making it perfect for a thorough cleaning experience. From fine dust to large debris, this vacuum cleaner can handle it with ease. One of the best features of the Aspiron Canister Vacuum Cleaner is its 3-stage filtration system. The central cyclonic filtration system effectively separates dust from the air, preventing clogging and maintaining consistent suction power. Also, the fully sealed system, equipped with a HEPA H10 inlet filter, ensures that fine dust and particles are trapped within the vacuum, keeping the expelled air clean and ideal for those concerned about secondary pollution. This feature is particularly beneficial for individuals with allergies or sensitivities. The Aspiron Canister Vacuum Cleaner is designed for versatility. It comes with a universal floor head suitable for both low-pile carpets and hard floors. The package also includes 4 standard accessories: a crevice nozzle, a small dust brush, a pet Powermate attachment, and an upholstery brush can do targeted cleaning in different areas. The flexible brush head and telescopic wand enable easy cleaning under furniture and in tight spaces. The vacuum cleaner is equipped with a 3.7 QT dust cup, significantly larger than standard models with 2.6 QT capacities. This large dust cup not only saves you the extra cost of purchasing dust bags, but also reduces the frequency of emptying, improving cleaning efficiency. All components of the dust cup, except the outlet filter, are washable. Simply detach the dust container, empty, and rinse it for reusability. This thoughtful design adds to the convenience and longevity of the product. With a 29.5-foot cleaning radius, you can cover large areas without constantly moving the plug. The 16-foot extra-long cord, coupled with automatic rewind, ensures easy cord management, saving you time and effort. The Aspiron Canister Vacuum Cleaner boasts a compact and ergonomic design, making it easy to maneuver and store. The comfortable telescopic wand and automatic cord rewind add to the user-friendly experience, ensuring that cleaning is not only powerful, but also convenient and hassle-free. This vacuum cleaner can be a great addition to your home cleaning arsenal. Number 2. Bissell Zing Bagged Canister Vacuum. If you want to buy a canister vacuum in the best budget, then this vacuum will be the best choice. The Bissell Zing Bagged Canister Vacuum boasts a 9 AMP amperage, providing powerful suction that tackles dirt and debris on both hard floors and carpets. The dual-action feature makes it adaptable to different types of flooring, ensuring a thorough cleaning every time. This vacuum has the ability to seamlessly transition from cleaning carpets to hard floors with a simple flip of a switch. This versatility ensures you can clean every surface in your home without the need for multiple cleaning devices. The Bissell Zing comes with an easy-to-remove dust bag that simplifies the process of disposing of collected debris. Additionally, the automatic cord rewind feature makes for quick and hassle-free cord storage. The 15-foot power cord not only provides ample reach, but also comes with an automatic cord rewind feature, which makes tidying up a breeze after cleaning. Equipped with pre-motor and post-motor filters, this vacuum is designed to capture fine dust and particles effectively. The added benefit of washable and reusable filters helps in reducing maintenance costs. With a hose length of 6 feet and a large 2.5-liter capacity, you can clean wide spaces without the need for frequent stops. The multi-surface floor tool, crevice tool, and dusting brush are included, making it easier to clean tight spaces and various surfaces. Weighing less than 8 pounds, this vacuum is incredibly lightweight and easy to carry, thanks to its integrated handle. The swivel steering ensures that maneuvering around furniture and into tight spots is effortless, providing a smooth and enjoyable cleaning experience. The Bissell Zing bagged canister vacuum is a practical and efficient cleaning solution for your home. With its versatility and thoughtful design, it's a reliable cleaning companion for any household. Don't forget to invest in a Bissell Zing bagged canister vacuum to make your cleaning tasks easier and enjoy a cleaner, healthier living space. Number 1. Miele Blizzard CX1 TurboTeam Canister Vacuum. This vacuum is a premium choice. Those who need a premium quality canister vacuum should definitely consider this one. This engineering prowess manifests in its powerful suction capabilities, making it an ideal choice for homes with hard floors and carpets with low to medium piles. The ability to switch between 4 suction power settings allows for effective cleaning across different surfaces, ensuring no debris is left behind. Incorporating vortex technology, this vacuum ensures innovative cleaning performance by capturing both coarse and fine dust particles during operation. This technology is a game changer, making the cleaning process highly efficient and thorough. No matter the size or type of debris, this is equipped to tackle it effectively. The vacuum is equipped with a HEPA lifetime filter and a Gore Clean Stream fine dust filter, comprising an advanced filtration system. The HEPA lifetime filter ensures top-notch filtration, maintaining a cleaner and healthier environment. In addition, the Gore Clean Stream fine dust filter contributes to the efficiency of the filtration system, keeping the air in your home free of dust particles and allergens. Emptying the vacuum is a breeze thanks to the Click 2O Pen hygienic emptying feature. There is no fear of a cloud of fine dust returning to the air when vacuuming. This vacuum ensures a clean and hassle-free emptying process, keeping your environment healthy and fresh. This vacuum comes with a range of accessories to enhance its versatility and effectiveness. From the STB 305-3 Turbo TX floor head to the SBB 300-3 Parquet Twister floor head, each accessory serves a specific purpose to enhance your cleaning experience. The integrated crevice tool, upholstery tool, and dusting brush on the handle make this vacuum versatile and efficient. Consider investing in this for an exceptional cleaning experience that truly stands out.